I am on page 86 in the exercise book, and we're looking at number 5. Which table shows values from the equation 12x minus y is 4? Now, I just want to call your attention to the fact that this is in standard form. That's okay. I'm just used to slope-intercept, so just be careful when you start working with the formula. I also know that all of my x values are the same for all 5 tables, and that's a lucky break for me. Because if I take the x values that are in all the tables, rather than substitute all of these, I'm just going to solve for the x's that they gave me and see what I get. I don't mean solve for the x's. I'm going to solve using the x's that they gave me. So for this first one, I'm going to say 12 times 0 minus y is 4. So 0 minus y is 4. Negative y, or negative 1y, is 4. So y is negative 4. And I'm just going to plug that in, and then I'm going to solve when x is 1. So 12 times 1 minus y is 4. And I have 12 minus 1y is 4. Move the 12. So negative 1y is negative 8. Divide by negative 1 on both sides, and y by itself, positive y, is positive 8. And then let's do it one more time when x is worth 2. So we get 24 minus 1y is 4. Move the 24. So we're left with negative 1y is negative 20. Divide by negative 1, so y is positive 20. And then all I have to do is to take the values I found and pick their answer that corresponds. So we have 0, negative 4, 1, positive 8. So that's not it. Let me take a copy of this just to be sure you're following me. I'm going to see if it matches here, and it does. So I think B is the answer, but let's check them all. It doesn't match there on the first row. It doesn't match there on the first row, the second row, or the third row. And it sure doesn't match there. So the one that matches what we found was B. Now you could sit and substitute all those in if you just want practice substituting, but I would solve myself and then find the answer that matches. It doesn't matter though, however you want to do it is fine. Okay, consider the following table. Which graph represents the table? Well, let's plot the points and we can tell which graph it is. 0, 1. That's not it. 0, 1. That could be it. 1, 4 over 1 up 4. That's not it. 0, 1. That's not it. 0, 1. That could be it. Over 1 up 4. That could be it. What's the 2, 7. Over 2 up 7. That could be it. Let's see. 0, 1. Not it. So it has to be D. The others only have 1 point at most. That works. Here's what I think they wanted us to do. They've given me 2 points. I can find slope. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 4 over 1, which is 4. It's positive. So we could eliminate b. That's a negative slope. It also doesn't match. And we could only eliminate b on that one. I could eliminate e because it's not steep enough. A slope of 4 would be very steep. So let's check the slope on D. Since we believe that's the one it is, let's see what we've got for slope. And I'm going to fix this point. I didn't quite nail it when I did though. It's right there. All right, let's check the slope using the rise over run method. Now we have a slope of, let's see, each box represents 1 in all directions. Okay, so that's good. What was my slope? Did I do that wrong? Yes, I did it wrong. Sorry. I bet you were thinking, she's crazy. You'd be right. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 divided by 1 is 3. So slope is positive 3. And that does fit. This was not working for me right here. I thought something had to be wrong. Sorry about that. So let's do rise of 3, run of 1. Rise of 3, run of 1. That is a positive 3. So I like D for the answer on this one. I'm sorry, I got us sidetracked. Okay, I think that's the end of this page. So I'll see you back for number 7 in a new video.